We are at the Beehive Reservoir. This is KEYLA, and she's my demo dog today. Seek! Alert! Good girl. Seek! 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 Where? Show me. Where is it? Alert! Good girl. Good girl. Here you go. Seek! Seek! Show me. Where? Show me. Okay. Show me. Seek. I don't know where you're talking. Seek. Okay, come on. I have nothing. There's one right there. So what to keep going? Seek. I will try to talk softly. There is literally nothing in this room. Nothing. There are a couple food distractors. They're in the brown boxes. And there's a food distractor under the tables over there. The ultimate distractors. What dog cannot resist looking in every container? This is the start line. She found that one up under there. Alert! Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good job. Okay, seek. Is there anything else in here? Did you check the start line? Go back. So there's a whole bunch of convergence odor here because there's three. There's one right behind that white bucket. She left it. Show me. Where is it? Alert! Good girl. Good girl. Good. Okay. Did you want to go check the kitchen? There's nothing in the kitchen. Good job. All right. Okay. So there's one right on the threshold by this door. Come on, seek. So if she keeps showing interest there, which she is, yeah, that will be on the outside, but I just wanted to point out so you can recognize the behavior. This is a big, huge blank area, really hard. So she's only missing one more inside, and it's on the threshold of that closet. Right where she is now is food, right under there. But see, she never looked up at me. She stopped to smell it, but she didn't do her typical alert. I'll see if she ends up going to the closet herself and try to alert on that one she missed. Alert! Good girl, good job. Okay, kick her up here because she hasn't gone up here yet. Go that corner too. Kiki, go in there. Okay, come on. You ready to go outside? All right. Yeah, it looks like you're done in here. That's why you're just walking with me and looking at me. We're gonna go outside. You wanna go outside? Okay, let's go outside. You got them all in here. Good girl. All right. Seek. KEYLA. KEYLA. Too far. Come on. Key, come on. Seek. All right. Okay, so she caught the wind was blowing that right there all the way down. There's two of them. There's one right here on the, she's working the one that's at the top of that rake handle. So she's doing some bracketing here. Alert! Good girl! Good job! Good girl! Oh yes, there we go. Okay, seek. See if you can pick up the last one. You got that one. Good girl. Seek. Keep going. Where? Show me. You got that one. Good girl. Good girl. Show me. Seek. That was a good guess. I was considering that place. Anywhere else? That's a good idea. Maybe we should move those, huh? How about we move this over to here? This probably could stay. And how about we put this more like that? Okay, seek. See if you can find it. Yeah, nothing there. Okay, seek. Show me. Where? You can't find it? We'll find someone else then. I was thinking of one there. Okay. But I did not have it there. Interesting. corner hides can be quite difficult because of how the air comes in and swirls around. Look over here. All right, keep going. Keep going. Yep. Oh, how about up over there? You just can't find this one, huh? We'll see if the raker can find it. Where is it? Show me. I'm not going to treat you if you don't find it. We're done. Are you done? Okay, seek. All right, so that probably had odor dropping on it. So I think I'm going to just take this and likely just put it here on the ground because the odor is right up there. All right, can you find it? Seek. Where is it? You silly girl, this is a hard one for you, huh? Is it up in there? Is it up in there? Okay, good girl. It's literally right there. Good job.